Why did an employer send me an FCRA adverse action notice? Imagine you're excited about a new job, and suddenly you get a letter that changes everything. That letter is called an adverse action notice, and it can feel confusing. So why would an employer send you one? Well, it all ties back to the process they follow when they check your background. When they want to make a hiring decision, they often look at your credit report or background check. This is part of the pre-employment inquiry stage in the employment life cycle. If the information in that report suggests something that might affect your ability to do the job, the employer might decide not to hire you or even rescind an offer. That's when they are required by law to send you an FCRA adverse action notice. The Fair Credit Reporting Act says they have to do this to keep things fair. Before making a final decision, they send you a pre-adverse action notice. This notice includes a copy of the report that raised concerns, a summary of your rights, and details on how to dispute any errors. You get at least 5 business days to review this report and challenge anything that looks wrong. If after that review, the employer still decides to take adverse action, they send you a final adverse action notice. This letter tells you that they have decided not to move forward with your employment. It also provides the name, address, and phone number of the consumer reporting agency that supplied the report. The agency did not make the decision, so they cannot give specific reasons. The notice also reminds you that you can request a free copy of your report within 60 days and dispute any inaccuracies. This process is part of fair hiring practices and helps protect applicants from unfair treatment based on incorrect or outdated information. It usually happens during the hiring and onboarding phase after background checks are completed. So, if you receive this notice, it means the employer is acting based on information from your consumer report, and they are following the law to give you a chance to review and dispute the details before making a final decision.